Meet the all-new 2026 Honda CR-V, a bold step forward in design, technology, and performance. Honda has transformed its best-selling SUV into something sleeker, smarter, and more futuristic than ever. Today, we'll take you through every inch of this car, from the sharp front fascia to the high-tech interior, and find out if it could be your next dream SUV. The 2026 CR-V greets you with a bold horizontal grille, proudly displaying the Honda logo. Matrix LED headlights extend sharply to the sides, giving it a confident and futuristic look. The bumper design is now cleaner, featuring integrated air vents that improve aerodynamics while adding a touch of aggression. Overall, the front end exudes urban sophistication, not a family car, but an executive SUV. From the side, Honda has kept the proportions balanced. A slightly longer wheelbase gives the 2026 CR-V a more rugged look. You'll notice clean character lines flowing seamlessly from the headlights to the taillights, emphasizing movement even at a standstill. Subtle chrome accents along the window line and black wheel arches accentuate the blend of luxury and adventure. Honda has truly nailed the modern explorer vibe here. Now, the rear is where Honda truly shines. A wide LED light bar connects the two taillights, with bold Honda lettering shining in the center, a touch that gives the CR-V a luxurious European feel. The rear bumper integrates a sporty diffuser, and the slightly sculpted tailgate adds aerodynamics and elegance. The car is clean, futuristic, and distinctly Honda. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the futuristic enhancements. The cabin is clad in soft-touch premium materials, accented by blue ambient lighting that creates a calm yet high-tech atmosphere. In the center is a large 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, paired with a fully digital driver's display. The dashboard design is horizontal and clean, intuitive, elegant, and designed to impress. Every control is in its place, and Honda's new drive selector button replaces the traditional gear shift lever with a cleaner console. The seats? Plush, supportive, and now equipped with ventilation and memory functions. Whether you're driving downtown or cross-country, comfort is paramount. Under the hood, Honda maintains its reputation for reliability and efficiency. The 2026 CR-V offers two options: a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing around 190 horsepower, and a hybrid variant that combines a 2-liter engine with an electric motor for up to 204 horsepower and impressive fuel efficiency. Honda's all-wheel drive system ensures stability in any condition, while an improved suspension tuning makes it smoother and quieter than ever. In short, this CR-V doesn't just drive well, it drives smartly. The 2026 Honda CR-V is expected to start at $31,000 for the base model, while the top-of-the-line hybrid variant will reach $39,000. Given the premium design, advanced technology, and legendary Honda reliability, this is a deal that's hard to ignore. The 2026 Honda CR-V represents evolution, sharper looks, smarter technology, and smoother performance. This car is no longer just a family SUV, it's a modern lifestyle statement on wheels. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, or practicality, this CR-V delivers it all with confidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.